The Microsoft Excel Office Scripts team has created a very clear webinar that introduces Excel Office Scripts and also gives a very insightful code demo. The demo shows how to integrate your Office scripts with the Power Automate flow, passing a parameter into and out of the Excel Office script. You need to register to see the webinar at this URL. In the GitHub repo for this video, I have posted the Q&A for the webinar. To further expand your knowledge about Office scripts, Microsoft has also provided a detailed tutorial here. I have put the URL in the description of this video. For those knowledgeable about Azure and Azure Functions, one of the things that is not very well known about Office scripts is that it can replace the Azure Functions service. That is, you can have your code run as part of a flow triggered by an event. This is exactly what Azure Functions does. Hope you enjoy this video. Check out my business website too.